Hi, this is Lucy Piper, and today I want to answer some question what I got from YouTube. The person who asked me named Effin Ben, and so the question is, Lucy, I want to ask you for how many years you don't have RA, how long it's take to heal leaky gut, and how we know it's fixed. And then another one question, do you eat nightshade, dairy, gluten, sugar, and salt? And after you fixed your gut and recover from RA. Thank you. So good questions. So, okay, the first question, for how long I don't have my RA. To be exact, it is 5 years that I'm RA symptoms free completely. It took me 2 years to fix it, but since that time I did not have any symptoms. So another one, how long it will be take to heal leaky gut. So according Dr. Sarah Ballantyne, PhD, the woman who writes a lot about autoimmune paleo, and the woman who has several autoimmune diseases, and she's also my mentor. So she's talk about in a healthy individual, so leaky gut can be fixed in a couple days to 3 weeks. And most of the time they don't have any symptoms. For those who is suffering from autoimmune disease or rheumatoid arthritis, it's take a little longer. It is depend of your health condition. So when I'm talking about health condition, it can be for everybody different, but it's all related to autoimmune disease. For example, it's a food sensitivity, gut dysbiosis, hormone imbalance, a gut infection, because 70 to 80% people who have rheumatoid arthritis suffer from gut infection. Also nutrition deficiency, very important, and also chronically elevated insulin, or we talk about blood sugar, also uncontrolled infection in the gut or in the body. So it's depend of what you personally have. If you have everything what I just talked about, it will be take longer to heal your leaky gut. So how we can know if we have a leaky gut? We can actually have a test to measure leaky gut, and it's relatively inexpensive. Functional practitioner can order this for you. So you will be drink sugary solution with large and small sugar molecules, and you will see if you will going to have this in your urine test. How do you know if you fix this leaky gut while you in healing protocol? When I work with my private clients, I'm required test like a gut infection or hormones or liver detoxification. But I not always required leaky gut test, but most of the people eager to know if they have a leaky gut. So, and they do have this test. When we start the protocol and we start to work on diet and lifestyle, and they start to feel better, actually they don't require anymore tests for leaky gut. So it means, to answer your question, how you know if you fixing your leaky gut, you will know if you start to feel better. So, and if I eat nightshade, dairy, gluten, sugar, and salt, to answer this question, so now you know mechanism behind leaky gut. So it means if you have you're healthy, it's only take a couple days or 3 weeks to heal your leaky gut. If you have a lot of condition, if you struggle with autoimmune or rheumatoid arthritis, it's take longer. So, to answer your question, I eat everything because I have a strong digestive system. I work it very hard to fix it. What only I don't eat processed food at all. I'm very, very selective. I eat very clean food, and again, no processed food. So I would eat whole grains. Probably 2-3 times a month, because I'm not craving anymore for grains. I always pre-soak them and rinse well and cook well for better digestion. For example, dairy, I don't buy this in a store because it's a processed food. It's a pasteurized milk. So if I have a dairy product, I buy raw milk from local farmers, and I make my yogurt or kefir. But sometimes I eat hard cheese. Nightshade vegetables I really eat a lot during summertime when it's local, ripe, and absolutely delicious from my garden. Sugar, I was extremely addicted to sugar when I have my arthritis. I was so addicted that if I have a cake in my refrigerator, I will not go into bed until I finish this cake. What I did, I stopped to buy any sugar. And with the time, it became better. And what it's my cake now, it is a honey with my flaxseed pancakes. And salt, I never was remove salt from my diet. What is key here to have a good salt? You never should eat just table salt, regular salt, but buy good salt like a sea salt or pink Himalaya salt, what is full in minerals. And actually, before any meal in the morning, I drink my 2 cups of water with pinch of salt for good balance minerals in the body. But another what I want to mention it, I'm travel a lot, and I'm hiking all over the world. So when you travel, it's actually hard to keep your diet, very hard. But I start to use to this. I start to develop my system. And what I do, I usually have my meal what I'm in a plane, always. And when I already have my destination and they cook for us meal, I'm very, very selective not eat processed food. And when I come back from these trips, like a couple of weeks after this, I will give a good break for my digestive. So I'm eat a very minimum amount of food. I think I answered all your questions. So this is Lucy Piper, your RA coach. And I think, when you heal your gut, when you understand your body, that's very important. You should not afraid any disease what can happen with you, because it's not make any sense. You feed your body, your cells with good food, and that's what body will be react to this. Make a comment below what you think. Again, always download my books, and I always open for your questions.